Good morning. Let's wake up the body and mind together. I'm Bastian from MindBodyInMotion. Just follow along. We begin standing tall, feet shoulder width, knees soft. Let your whole body turn from side to side and let your arms swing freely around you. Loose and easy. Breathe in as you turn one way and out as you turn the other. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Next, gathering energy. Inhale, open your arms to the sides and float them up overhead. Exhale and gather them down to your lower belly. Mirror my movements. My right is your left. Let your arms swing forward and back, powered from your waist and legs. Keep your breath slow, deep and natural. Stay soft and let the arms simply follow. Reach your hands up high and stretch tall. Then fold forward and let everything drop, swinging your arms down, throwing away anything you don't need. Stress, tension. Yesterday, let your neck and shoulders go loose. Breathe in as you reach up and out as you throw it all away. We continue. Bring both hands up, one arm reaching forward as the other gathers back. Then use your whole body to lift them back up. Natural breathing from the belly. After a few, change direction. Keep your breath slow and natural. Now let everything settle. Next, rising and expanding. Lift your hands up the midline, above your head. Open them out and let them float down the sides. Then gather up the center again to shoulder height and down to your belly. Breathe in as you rise and expand. And out as you open and lower. Keep your posture tall. Next exercise, Repulse the Monkey. Turn gently and lift your hands to shoulder height. One hand draws back by your ear, then pushes forward. The other hand sinks to your side, palm up. Then switch, the other hand by the ear, and push. Breathe out as you push forward. And in as you draw back and change. Stay soft. Focus on your center. Inhale, open your arms to the sides. Exhale and gather them down to your lower belly. Next, crane spreads its wings. Bring your hands toward your center, crossing softly in front of you. Then open. One hand floats up, the other sinks down. Don't fully straighten. Stay soft. Return to center and change sides. Breathe in as the wings open. And out as you return. Soft shoulders. Return to center and change sides. Once more, gather the energy down to your belly. Breathe in as you rise. And out as you settle. Our last one, Golden Rooster. Hold a ball lightly in front of you. Lift one knee and the hand on the same side, rising up tall and balanced. Hold for one breath. Lower down. Switch sides. Focus on your center. Breathe in as you rise. And out as you lower. If you wobble, that's perfectly fine. Rest a hand on a wall if you need it. Now, close the exercise and come back to center. Let everything settle. Stand still and close your eyes. Hands below your belly, your center. Just breathe, slow and easy. Feel the calm, steady energy you've gathered and carry it with you into your whole day. That's your morning practice. Subscribe for a new practice every 2 weeks, and the free 7-day challenge is waiting for you below. See you on the mat.